So number 46. These are my absolute favorite because it makes me feel like less shit for dying myself. And we can criticize other people's deaths instead of my own. Alright, cool. Let's take a look at what happens here. Now we're flying into 1K needles. You just fall, man? No. Wait, what, dude, what? Oh! No! This guy has so much authentic pain in his voice, man. Like, that was me yesterday, bro, but like, that was even more. Like, that just ruined. Wow, this guy's whole week is ruined. Damn.
Why do I not have... No!
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, no, that's so like, dude, damn.
God is the teacher. Derek is the student, and I...
That sucks. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, next one.
When I squeeze your lungs, Derek,
We have
and you beg me,
Yaineric Puss.
your heart will open up to the Lord.
Yaineric.
Wait,
Where are we right now?
God chose him.
Okay, level 61. Where are we right now? Oh, I know where we are. Oh, I was gonna say Duskwood by the world boss, but that's not true. It's Ashenvale. Oh, this is a different world boss in Ashenvale. So it's a world boss. You get too close, and you get one-digged by a venom spit from far away. That sucks. That sucks. Like, it's one way to go, trying to push the limit, or trying to, like, you know, pulling 5 mobs and be like, oh, I got this, then you end up dying. Or like trying to pull an elite boss and you die to the last tick of immolate in the clutch after you kill the boss. Like, that sucks. But like, that, it's just like, you space out for a second, you get 2-shot by an elite, you're like, are you kidding me? You've got to be absolutely kidding me.